Hi everyone! Today I'll be sharing how to create a browser's profile with DICloak. Log into the app and you will find yourself in the browser's profile setting. Hit Create Profile to set up a new profile. First, fill in your basic information. Please note that your profile name must not be same as the existing profile name. Remarks are optional. The default option of the group selection is ungroup, but you can create a new group on Homepage Group section. Choose your operating system and user agent. You can also click New UA to auto-generate. We support multiple systems, but only one of them will be chosen for simulations. Now, let's move on to the proxy setting. You can choose whether you want to use a proxy or not. Without a proxy, select Custom and choose No Proxies for local network. With a proxy, choose a proxy type and enter the proxy's information. You can also click Save Proxies and choose the one you have been created. And last, remember to check your proxies to confirm the connection status. If you want to log into the relevant platform, you can either enter a custom platform URL or you can choose from the option we provided. And finally, do not forget to add your account details. In the advanced setting, you can customize options such as language, intersurface language, time zones, and geolocation. You can also randomize or manually input the font list, WebGL provider, and renderer setting, as well as adjust your device memory and hardware concurrency. And now, click Confirm to create your profile. On this page, you can check your IP connections and country. And now open your browser's profile. To edit, close, or delete your profile, click on the three little dots to show more settings. Thanks for joining us. I hope this guide was helpful and we're looking forward to see you in the next tutorial.